The Kashi Vishwanath Corridor, a mega renovation project built across 550,000 square feet, comprises of 24 buildings that include an emporium, a museum, a sacred kitchen, a Vedic library, a city gallery, a food court, and a Moksha Green. Also termed as Prime Minister Modi's pet project, the entire cost of construction of this corridor was estimated to be at 800 crores, of which 300 crores were poured in immediately to kickstart the project. The project aims to transform the area around the historic temple of Vishwanath, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, into a pilgrim-friendly complex with state-of-the-art architecture and civil structures with finest civic amenities possible. The temple serves as one of the synapses of the Hindu Dharma, attracting about 7 million pilgrims annually. The pride and delight of the project is the refurbishment of the link between the Ganga and the temple, an ancient connection that had been cut off by years of encroachment, construction, and population growth. Once open, the corridor will enable a pilgrim to take a boat from any of Varanasi's numerous ghats to the sprawling new entrance of the temple complex. It is important to note that the original structure of the complex has not been tampered with, and the project only ensures the beautification of the premises and aims to increase the ease of the pilgrims' navigation from the ghats to the main temple complex. In 2015, a survey to map out how the congested area could be metamorphosed into a grand corridor was undertaken. In 2018, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath constituted the Sri Kashi Vishwanath Special Area Development Board, which purchased around 300 buildings within the vicinity of the temple and demolished them to make space for the corridor. This displaced around 400 families, which were later relocated. This roused a lot of protest, and the case was taken to the Supreme Court, but the arguments of the appellants were dismissed promptly and the work on the corridor thus finally commenced in 2019. 41 ancient temples were rediscovered and restored by the team of civil engineers who undertook the process of surveying the area around the main temple, which at the moment had buildings and encroachments on all the three sides of it, thus leaving only one gate available to have an access to the temple, problem that was solved in the designing phase by scraping down the encroachments. Now the temple has 7 grand doors for the devotees to enter and pray. The entire upliftment of the slum-like area around the temple was a major challenge for the surveyors and the civil engineers, a task they took head-on and delivered extremely profound results. The corridor was inaugurated by the Prime Minister on 13th December 2021.